Hey yo, going to Shadow Lake. I'm going fishing with my dad. You know what that means. Taking the Stary custom fishing rod. We're gonna go kick some butt. Lance, play my music.
Up the river, down the stream, through the woods to your dreams, and their hearts still beat. By the shore, in the sand, on the boat, or dry land, it doesn't matter, they'll see. Best damn fisherman in Wisconsin, gonna give it all he's got this year.
Dad, where are we going?
We're going to take a little ride up to Shadow Lake tonight. East, and we're just going to, it's what you call an experimental fishing evening. See if we can catch some whatever. The only thing you can keep is panfish, but we probably won't keep anything if we do catch anything anyway. We're going to see if there's anything in there right now. And that's it.
Alright guys, today we're starting off with the Ching Chong Bing Bong spinner. It's the some of the foreign spinners I bought on Amazon a while back. Using the Stary custom fishing rod today. And we're gonna stick around here, see if there's any fish in yet. And we'll see if we can't get lucky and catch a fish or two today. I'll throw probably 15-20 casts here before I switch to a gulp minnow. You can definitely see if you're throwing these garbage knockoff Ching Chong Bing Bong spinners, you can definitely tell you are gonna need a sinker on it. Because I'm gonna tell you guys this right now, they do not sink. Again, these Stary custom fishing rods are so nice. They perform so well. And man, oh man, are they awesome. The handle's great. This rod right here is 7 foot of absolute destruction. And so we're gonna have a little fun today, guys. We're gonna enjoy ourselves here. First time out fishing at Shadow Lake for the year. We usually come out a few times like this just to kind of check out the situation and see what's going on. And there may have been a bite. I'm not 100. It would be awesome to catch one fish tonight. Get you guys a little action on camera. Now, I tell you guys what, that Stary custom fishing rod So much control, ease of play, so much power. Really, really like it, guys, I gotta tell you. If you guys haven't already, I'm gonna throw a link in the description. You guys gotta look up Mitch Stary, have him make you a fishing rod. I'm telling you, it's gonna be the best money you ever spend. I know we always wanna get like the cheap fishing rods, blah, blah, blah. Trust me, guys. This kid knows his stuff. As far as I'm concerned, if it ain't a Stary custom, it ain't shit. Is that a fish? There's a fish, guys. First fish of the year here on Shadow Lake. Oh yeah, on the Stary custom fishing rod, on the Ching Chong Bing Bong spinner. Absolute trash fish on an absolute trash lure. Ooh. Nice bass. Let's get him back. Awesome. Starting the day out good with a garbage largemouth bass on the Ching Chong Bing Bong spinner. All right, we're back throwing the Ching Chong Bing Bong spinner. Is that another fish? Guys, this is another fish? It could be another fish. Yes, it is. It is another fish on the Ching Chong Bing Bong spinner, ladies and gentlemen. And we got another little largie. All right. Ouch, cocksucker. All right, 2 fish. We want 10 casts. And the Ching Chong Bing Bong spinner. Let's get them back in. We'll leave a link to these in the description. If you guys want to buy some trash Joe's Flies knockoffs, be my guest. They do work, and I can imagine they would work with a little sinker on too. Yeah, there's another fish. There is another fish right there, baby. That's what I'm talking about. 3 fish. We're knocking them down now. It's 2 casts in a row, baby. There's Ching Chong Bing Bong spinner, 3rd cast. Hell yeah. All right. Guys, go get you some knockoff spinners, baby. That's what's up. We don't want to pay for name brand. We want trash knockoff spinners because they catch fish. Yeah. All right. 3 fish, 3 casts. That's what's going on. We're into the fish tonight. We're having fun. I know you guys are enjoying this. 3 casts, 3 fish. Let's keep it rocking. Ah, man, oh man. Ching Chong Bing Bong spinner from Amazon, baby. Burning it down. Come on, give me another fish. Hit it. Boom, boom, crack. Boom, pow. Come on, ping pong, hit it.
Well, that kind of sucked.